means my team. We build a satellite launch vehicle, put a satellite in the orbit. It gave happiness, pride. Then we put Agni. It reached required range, accurate range. It gives higher happiness. Then at 52 degrees Celsius, Pokhran we were working. India became a nuclear weapon state. There's another happiest situation. But you find then India 2020 vision document, we have another happiness. But of all this happiness, what is the primary bliss? Did you get bliss? If you ask me the question, I will say yes. What is the occasion? In Hyderabad, I was developing at DRDL a material called carbon-carbon material. It is used as a heat shield in the Agni missile and structure for Prithvi missile. One day, one of my friend from Nizam Institute of Medical Science, Professor Prasad, orthopedic surgeon, he landed there in my laboratory. He saw the products, lifted the product so light. He asked me, Mr. Kalam, what are you doing? Such a light material you have done for your missile. Missile gives you pain. Why not you use? And he took me to his orthopedic ward. Orthopedic ward, there were 20, 30 girls and boys, 15 below. They were carrying calipers of wooden calipers, metallic calipers, each weighing 3 kilograms. He told me, my friend Prasad told me, you transform these calipers to lighter. We use that material, composite material, 3 kilogram, we reduced 3 gram. 3 kilogram, 30 gram we reduced. And the children wore it. They danced it. Their parents, tears I saw. So that was the bliss.
Sir, thank you for the interaction, sir. And on behalf of the AP Legislative Assembly, a small memento. I'll leave it to you, sir. Can you take this one? Sir, now I'd request the Honorable Chief Minister to propose the vote of thanks.
Your Excellency, Your Excellency, the President of India, Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam ji, Your Excellency, the Governor of Andhra Pradesh, Sri Surjit Singh Barnala, Honorable Speaker of the Andhra Pradesh Legislative Assembly, Sri K.R. Suresh Reddy Garu, and Honorable Members of the Legislative Assembly. Sir, it gives me immense pleasure to convey the heartfelt thanks of the Andhra Pradesh Legislative Assembly for your invaluable and thought-provoking message to the elected public representatives on this historic day. We are very much inspired with your concern for the uplift of the nation. You are aware of the serious distress of rural Andhra Pradesh and the suicides that are taking place of farmers and weavers. In tune with your aspirations for a holistic development of the nation, Andhra Pradesh government is laying emphasis on the uplift of the farmers, rural artisans, and the downtrodden. We are committed to make the state a Harita Andhra Pradesh by completing all the pending irrigation projects in the coming 5 years and also bring in Godavari waters to the parched up lands of the state and ensuring rapid strides in agriculture. In the process of fulfilling the aspirations of the people, we are taking the administration close to the poorest of the poor through a novel program, Rajiv Palle Bata. In fact, focus of our government is welfare and uplift of the downtrodden, the scheduled castes, the scheduled tribes and minorities, And priority focus areas are rural development, rural employment, rural water supply, rural health, basic industry, etc. Third, at the same time, more emphasis is also being laid on development in the sectors like information technology, biotechnology, tourism, major industries, and infrastructure. We seek your guidance and help in making our dream a reality. 10 important missions suggested by you for implementation in Andhra Pradesh as a short-term development measure will be definitely kept in view while transforming our action plan into reality. We assure you, sir, we can do it. The great inspirational call of Maharshi Patanjali, recalled by you, will be evergreen in our minds and hearts. Once again, I convey our warm regards and thanks for your inspiring message. This august house will cherish these golden moments forever. I also convey my thanks to the Honorable Governor Sri Surjit Singh Barnalaji and Honorable Speaker Sri Suresh Reddy. I thank the Leader of the Opposition, floor leaders, and honorable members of the Legislative Assembly for making the visit of His Excellency, the President of India, to this House a success. Thanks a lot.
School children and